Welcome everyone to our Drinks and Debates evening. So I hope you all have a very good time and make good friends, have good conversation, and all the best. Good luck. We can start.
For me, if you ask me what success looks like for this specific event and debate, it's collaboration. So we are taking the people who are leading the research in this space, putting them on the same couch, have them talk, and I hope that after this we can keep in touch and keep collaborating.
We believe that collaboration is more present in this industry than competition. It's through collaboration with meaningful projects like Avail that we can fast track an infrastructure that can address the real demand and solve problems.
One of the things that we have been maybe a little bad in let's say the blockchain space, is that we've all been trying to build kingdoms, and we basically should have been building all the infrastructure and all the stuff, kind of build this beautiful infinite gardens that Ethereum is talking about. And this is kind of like the spot where the developer teams are kind of like starting to understand that they need to develop one thing that they're really good at and work together with other teams to kind of be compatible.
We would save so many hours of brain time if actually those teams just talked with each other.
It's a great time to be in the industry. Right? It's seeing all these things unfolding and getting shape and unlocking new use cases, and we're seeing that the blockchain technology is becoming more relevant.